Welcome to our updated guide on how to get Snapchat AI. Experience the fun and interactive features of Snapchat AI by following these simple steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, swipe right from the camera screen to access the chat screen where you can engage with various chat features. Initiate a conversation by tapping on the chat icon or search for My AI in the search bar. This will allow you to locate the AI chat feature within Snapchat. Once you've found My AI, tap on the chat to start using Snapchat AI. Engage with your AI chat to explore its capabilities and enjoy the interactive experience it offers. Immerse yourself in the world of Snapchat AI by interacting with your AI chat and discovering the exciting features it has to offer. Whether you're looking for entertainment or assistance, Snapchat AI is here to make your Snapchat experience even more engaging. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you get started with Snapchat AI. Have fun exploring the possibilities and enjoying the interactive features of Snapchat AI as you connect with My AI on the platform.